The ICS is going to be a really fantastic meeting this year in Abu Dhabi. It's going to draw people from multidisciplines across the world, from urology, urogynaecology, pelvic floor physiotherapy, and other disciplines. And it's really unique because you get this global perspective from everyone's different types of practices in different parts of the world.
It's a unique event because it's a joint venture between the International Continence Society and the Emirates Urological Society.
ICS is always an unmissable event, and it's always this moment of the year where we gather with all our friends from different specialties across the globe, really international.
I think it's the only platform where anybody, everybody, all the scientists, clinicians, physicians, everybody who's working on the continence area come together.
You will benefit from state-of-the-art lectures, we will benefit from meeting and connecting with experts in the field, and you will also have the benefit of attending the workshops.
So I'm super grateful and super excited that I've been invited to give this state-of-the-art lecture on robotic functional urology. That's really an exciting time for robotic functional urology. This is something that we've started to promote a couple of years ago already, but we see it's growing, and actually I think it offers really a new, let's say, spectrum of treatment for our patients.
One of the roundtable conversations that we'll be hosting is new treatments and minimally invasive treatments for male LUTS and BPH. I think this is a really exciting topic. There have been so many new technologies introduced that are now bridging the gap between medical therapy and surgery, and there's a lot on the horizon. So I hope at this roundtable discussion we'll be able to see how to best select patients and choose between these different types of treatments.
As part of my contribution to the ICS conference in Abu Dhabi, I will be chairing the Nursing Forum. This year we will be considering the role of nursing in bowel management with a focus on impact and dignity. The forum will also showcase recent nursing research into different bowel conditions in varying populations.
This workshop is on case discussions pertaining to neurourology. And the title of the workshop is Real Cases, Real Solutions. We have an exciting set of 4 cases planned out in such a manner that we get to do a lot of interaction with the audience and with the faculty, with each other, to bring out some of the important points in clinical management of these patients.
The title of our workshop is Creating a Circle for Interstitial Cystitis Bladder Pain Syndrome, and that is combining animal studies, artificial intelligence and clinical data, trying to improve the outcomes for patients. We are hoping to find a common language between computer scientists and clinicians and scientists, try to understand what data is needed.
Going to a meeting like the ICS can really be inspiring and can prove to be something that is life-changing. It's the opportunity to get to meet some of the best people working in the field on a one-on-one basis. And I think nothing really matches that. No other meeting matches that.
It's always exciting. This year, of course, is exciting. We're going to the Middle East, we're going to Abu Dhabi. We've never been there, so maybe we'll attract some more people to us, and we'll also discover probably a new culture for some of us.
You will have a mix of experts from all around the world focusing on different scopes of the continence field, and also the other aspects of urology, including endourology and urological malignancies and andrology.
The ICS-EUS conference is a wonderful opportunity for professionals from around the world to learn about the latest research in the field of continence. There will be opportunities for professional development, networking, exchanging of ideas, and learning from leading experts in the continence field.
I think now is a great time to go online, check out the ICS website, see the program. It's really robust, extensive. It's going to be really interesting, and you can register today and join us in Abu Dhabi.